guys? Bienvenidos de vuelta a este su canal. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Getting ready to go to work, getting ready to take off. It's a little sad because, my sister's birthday was today and I wanted to spend some time with her, but I was able to go over there for a little bit and hang out with her and hang out with the family a little bit. Unfortunately, that's what happens with this job, is we have to miss certain things. But luckily, we were able to be together for a little while, which that is what's important. Eso es lo más importante, de compartir con la familia, estar juntos. De una manera u otra, se hace. But yeah, it's time for me to get rolling here at the yard, go pick up my load and take off, heading to the hurricane. A ver qué pasa en el camino, porque el huracán está pegando, ya pegó. No sé, pero creo que está pegando ahorita. So ojalá, hopefully we can get through there and without any issues. We should be able to get through without no issues. I was looking at Google Maps. Which one do y'all use, guys? I use Google Maps because it's a live thing and it kind of shows like where it's closed, where the problems are, y dónde puedes pasar o no puedes pasar. So tienes toda esa información en Google Maps. Por eso es que uso yo más. But I don't use Rand McNally or none of that other stuff because to me it's not real time. It is for trucks though, which is cool and it's for trucks. But if you've been driving for a while, kind of figure out how to do things without having to worry about the areas you're going to be in with the trucks. So you should be good. So por eso I use Google Maps. So like I said, we're about to get rolling, and let's go get this, guys. Let's be safe. First of all, the most important part is let's be safe and be able to be out here and do it without any issues. I don't know if you're gonna hear some wind noise because it's kind of windy here. Pero nos veo al rato. Well, guys, we're now about to take off already. Might as well get on the road. Let's do this. Y'all see up there what it looks like, huh? Yeah, that weather is not looking very good for us up ahead. But we just gotta be careful. We're gonna be careful. We're gonna take it easy. We gotta slow down when we gotta slow down, and we're gonna go when we need to go. Big old pothole back there. Jesus. Golly. Loves need to work on their potholes. What are this guy doing? Got my cup of coffee. Got my one cup for the day. Nah, I'm lying. Ya llevo dos, es el segundo taza de café que me estoy tomando. I drank one in the morning and ahorita que voy a agarrar la calle, so I try not to drink that much coffee every day, but I was still at home. I get up, eat breakfast, the wife hooked it up on some breakfast, and got the coffee ready, so drank some coffee. So now, when I get on the road, it's normally when I first get on the road, I'll drink me a cup, and I'll sip on that cup for hours. I might not even finish it really. Like, I'm a coffee drinker, but not a huge. I don't know. ¿Cómo son ustedes para el café? ¿Toman mucho café? ¿Poquito café? Yo por lo menos un vaso de café al día, and that's pretty much all I need to keep me going. But man, y'all see the wind picking up? I don't know if y'all can tell. There's a bunch of trash flying around. The wind is just starting to get excited out here. That's the problem with these tornadoes. You get these, I mean, not tornadoes, my bad. With these hurricanes, you get these tornadoes that sprawl up from it. Y pues está peligroso. So hay que llevar los ojos bien abiertos. Porque se está poniendo feo. No, no como yo. O sea, afuera. Ni se mira la luz. You can't even tell that light's even on the way the wind is blowing and it's got it pushing. Look at that, guys. Oh man, we might have to stop it before we get it going. Just the wind's kicking up. Ya se siente el vientecito que está. Mueve y mueve esta cosa. Y no se siente bonito. Man, there's trash that's flying around everywhere. Yep, leaving LaPorte, Texas, guys, headed to Abingdon, Virginia. Looks like the first part of our trip is going to be a little bit on the rough side. Hope I have this angled right. Yeah, it looks like the first part of our trip is going to be a little rough, guys. I see it already. Woo. But we're going to make it through. With God willing, man and Papa, Diosito nos va a cuidar en este camino to make it to where we're going. Ooh, there it is already. Well, we didn't go storm chasing. The storm caught us. Fix my glasses. I always gotta be fixing my glasses. But I need to get them adjusted because they keep on falling out off my big old head. Let's just call it what it is. I'm not gonna lie. This is not small. It's pretty dang big. I know, guys, y'all have a hard time finding glasses sometimes if your head's too small or too big. I do. A mí sí me cuesta hallar anteojos, lentes por veces, porque poquito cabezones. Bueno, no un poquito, ¿verdad? Bastante, pero pues ya saben. Ahí vamos. Ahí vamos de camino. Ya se puso fea la cosa. Or maybe just like the beginning of the storm makes it look like that. I don't know. It's kind of nasty. We're about to go over this ship channel bridge. It looks pretty cool. Every time you go over it, you can see the wind because you see the water just rippling across. Gotta keep the eyes open. Make sure nobody's coming around you a little too close because of the rain, or anybody spins out and comes to try to hit you. So just stay keeping it vigilant, keeping the eyes wide open as I can. No, maybe not like that. Yeah, guys. So what do you guys think about it, guys? What do y'all think about this English and Spanish deal? I'm kind of liking it. I'm kind of feeling it. I guess because it's more me. Feel a little more comfortable. De poder hablar los dos idiomas, el inglés y el español. No sé, ¿qué piensan? ¿Les gusta o no les gusta? Porque lo podemos mantener de cualquier canal, inglés o español. Pero a mí me gustan los dos porque me siento más como yo.
Y porque aquí en Texas, pues no sé en otros estados, pero aquí en Texas hablamos pues, tejano, hablamos español, inglés, mixteado. Hablamos las dos cosas y por veces inventamos palabras. Mi raza de allá, de mi gente de allá del valle, ya sabe de quién estoy hablando porque allá se inventan palabras que yo nunca he escuchado. Because the first time I went to the valley, when I first started going down there, the people would say some words and I'm like, I know Spanish and I know English. And I ain't understanding nothing y'all are saying. Well, not nothing, but you know, some words I wouldn't understand. But I married somebody from the valley and I started learning it more. Y pues ya me di cuenta cómo lo hablan, cómo lo mastican el inglés y el español juntos. El Spanglish. Ya conocen el Spanglish. Bueno, los que son de Texas conocen el Spanglish. De otros estados, I really don't know. I haven't lived there. I only can tell you about here. And just a little story, guys. I mean, not a story, but in case some of you are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I welcome you. Bienvenidos. Bienvenidos, bienvenidos. Yo soy El Salvador. Yes, I'm from El Salvador. A lot of people would say I don't look like I'm from El Salvador. I don't know how you're supposed to look, pero sí soy salvadoreño. Lo único que pues yo me crié aquí en los Estados Unidos y todos mis amigos de pequeño, de chiquillo, pues eran mexicanos. Los salvadoreños ya no empezaron a llegar después, ya cuando estaban llegando bastantes más. So I didn't have very many friends that were Salvadorian. Not that I didn't want to, it's just that's what I had. That's what was there in the town that I'm from, the little small town that I'm from, Huntsville, Texas. Yes. What's up, Huntsville? Shout out to Huntsville. And yeah, that's what was there. So I wasn't used to. Once the Salvadorians started coming more, it started becoming a little difficult for me because they thought that I was against them, and I can't be more prouder than where I'm from. I'm very proud of being Salvadorian, but I'm also proud of being Latino, Hispanic, and I'm also proud of being part of this society. So whatever you are, Hispanic, white, black, whatever, Asian, doesn't matter to me. You're all good in my book. We're all part of this human race trying to make it. But anyways, back to me. So I had difficulty when I was growing up because some of them thought that I wasn't proud of where I was, who I was, where I was from, and they didn't stop and spend the time with me to realize that no, I wasn't about where you're from. I was just about just knowing you and being part of your life growing up. And I got shut out by my own people, pero pues así es, pues así pasan las cosas. Desafortunadamente así es, pero it's okay, I understand. Yo entiendo todo eso. Yeah, there's something on the road, like a big box. Well, what is that? Oh, it's a mattress. Ooh, and with all this rain, that's gonna cause a wreck. Simple little mattress like that is gonna cause a wreck. Well, guys, I finally made it to my stopping point. It was a little rough. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little rough. The hurricane kind of did push us around a little bit here and there, but most of the time it wasn't so bad where I had to stop. So todo salió bien. No me afectó tanto el huracán como yo pensé. So llegamos aquí a este punto y pues ahora a dormir. Ya estamos cansados. It's been a long day. I got up since early this morning, and it's, you know, I've been up all day. So with that being said, guys, I am about to go to sleep. I'm pretty tired. I don't know if y'all can tell. Do I look tired? I don't know. I feel tired. But be good to one another. Ayúdense uno al otro siempre. Alguien que conozcas que esté pensando en suicidarse. Anybody thinking about committing suicide that you know, please help them out. Ayúdenles. Díganles que los queremos mucho y que los van a faltar mucho en nuestras vidas si hacen lo que ellos están pensando que es la mejor salida. So, I love you guys and thank you for everything. Thank you for another day. Day 27 or 28. One of the two. I'm tired, guys. We'll figure it out tomorrow. Love you guys. Peace, and I'm out.